Greeting. This is Mark. Well, we're going to be looking at Microsoft Word and some basic things that we can actually do in Microsoft Word, right? So what we're going to be looking at MS Word. MS Word stands for Microsoft, right? Word formatting, right? So what we want to do is a step-by-step thing, right? We want to open a blank document, right? We're going to type out these code right in here so in order for us to get some paragraph to work with, right? So we're going to add a cover page, right, to the document, right? So we're going to add a cover page and we're going to put something up there in the cover page. We're going to drop cat the first letter in 1 and 2 paragraph, right? Very important. Or we're going to do that particular here, right? We're going to put a paragraph border around paragraph 3. And bear in mind that a paragraph border is different from a page border. I'm going to take you directly through that, right? And here I go indent paragraph 4, right? We're going to insert in the header all about computer, and then we're going to insert a page border on all pages except the cover page. All right, so very unique. So the first thing that we want you to do is come right down here and click, and then we're going to open Microsoft Word. Right, we're going to select the blank. Right now we're at the blank right here. So the next thing that we wanted to do here is just type out the equal RAND, then the bracket, then the 7 and all that. So that will give us some paragraph that we can actually work with. Alright, so I'm going to type it out equal RAND. They're going to put the bracket, alright, and then when we're done, we're going to press enter. Alright, so there we go. There we have some paragraph that we can actually work with so far. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next. Alright, for the next, it's add a cover page to the document, right? So we want to put a cover page to the document. So how we're going to do that, we're going to come all the way at the top where it's the insert tab. Click on the insert tab, look to your left, you see the word cover page. So now we're going to click right at the little pointer, and then you're going to bring up some different types of cover page. You can always come right here at the scroll bar and scroll down and view more. So I'm going to click on this one, and there you go. I have a cover page right here. Alright, so let me move on to the next thing, right? Because since I drew the cover page already, we're going to move on to something, right? It's a job cap, the first and the second, right? Job cap, the first and the first letter in paragraph 1 and 2, right? So we're going to job cap that particular one, right? So what we want to do, we want to scroll down. We're going to go to the paragraphs carefully, you know. We're going to can come right here. You can scroll down. You can look on your keyboard and look for page down and do the same thing. So this is paragraph 1. So we want to black the V, right? That's the first letter. Then we want to go up here to insert tab. Click on the insert tab. You're going to go all the way to your far right, right under, right where you see the word text, and above text, this right here is the job cap. You're going to click on the little pointer. You're going to click this jobs. You notice right here, right? So let me focus on paragraph 2 now. We're going to block it, and we're going to go right back to insert. We're going to go all the way right where the text, and above it, click a pointer job, and there you go. And there we have our job cap in the 1 and 2 paragraph, right? So the next thing we want to look at, right? We want to put a paragraph border on paragraph 3, right? So we're going to take you through that. Alright, this itself is paragraph 3. The first thing that I wanted to do is a black paragraph 3. Then we're going to go right back to the word insert. I'm going to click on the word, no, not insert, home. Right, we're going to click on home. And then you come right where you see the word paragraph, and above paragraph, you see this little window here. You're going to click it. You're going to come all the way here to all border or outside border, anyone. And then you click on it, and there you go. There you have a paragraph border right here. Right, and it's very important. Right, now we have the paragraph border. Right, now we're going to indent paragraph 4. Right, we're going to indent paragraph 4. Right, so this itself is paragraph 4, so we're going to block it. Right, and then this time we're going to go right back to the word home and click on it. And then we're going to come right where you see the word paragraph, and above it here is the indent. I can indent left, I can indent right. So if I click on the right one, you notice a paragraph, indent to the right. If I click back to the left, you notice go back to the left. Alright, so now we know exactly how to indent that particular paragraph. Now we're going to be looking at the next one. Right, it says insert in the header all about computer. Right, so we're going to go to the header now. The next thing I wanted to do is to click on the word insert. When you click on the word insert, you're going to come all the way here where it says footer, header and footer. At the top, you're going to click the little pointer there, and then you see different type of header. You can come right to the scroll bar and scroll down, and you see different types of header. Right, I'm going to choose this type of header right here. You notice that tell me say I must type. I'm going to type now. Let me backspace this out of the bracket here. Alright, I'm going to type it. I'm going to type all about computer. Alright, and then we're going to see all that all about computer. Alright, and then there we go. Now we want to close the header and footer. We can come right here and double click, or we can come up top. Right, notice we have this here in the header. Very important. Let me bring up the instruction again and see what is it. It says insert a page border on all pages except the cover page. Right, so this one is a very tricky one because a lot of persons sometimes tend to have problem this, especially when they're actually bringing in assignment and all of that. Alright, so look at this carefully how I'm going to do it. First thing I wanted to do, go to the word design. When I click on the word design, I'm going to go to the far right. You know the rest of the word page background. And here you go, this is the word page border. I'm going to click on the word page border. If you notice, it says none, box, shadow, and 3D. Right here, so it's a display screen right here. So it actually shows you if we go over here. Right, and if I click right here, you notice it show right up over here. If I come all the way down here, it's art and none, and if I click right here, I can actually put pretty border, right? And another upon it. You can put all of these border, notice. Let me scroll up some more. Okay, you can put all of these border, you can click all that. Right, and when you're done, you click OK and that will take you there. But if you click OK, what will happen? The cover page will actually have the border. But I don't want that. What I want to do simply is notice right here, say apply. Come right a little pointer here, you notice this word say this section all except the first page, you click on that. When you click on that, then you click on the word OK. Right? And if you notice, my border around this, you notice, when I scroll up, you notice there's none around the cover page. Very important. Right? That's how we do it there, right? And that was the last instruction. Very important. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to like, share, and subscribe.